Hey Kim, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me this morning and requesting this free video. So today we're going to go over a few tips that you guys can apply right away so you can start to get more of that organic traffic. As you can see, we are on your website, and it is important to note that 70% of your organic leads are going to stem from your website. So it is going to be very important that your website be fully optimized. You can take advantage of that and get more of those leads. So here's your website, and you do have a nice looking website. It looks like you have separate pages for each individual service that you offer, which is perfect. It's exactly what you need. Looks like an attempt at some keyword usage. The problem I'm seeing here is that it's not location based. This would be what is considered a national keyword, which would be okay if you are servicing all of the United States. But if you're targeting the Kansas City area, you do need to make sure that these are going to be location based. So you're only competing locally. Looks like we've got a little bit of content here, which is good. But again, I'm not really seeing any local keyword usage. Let's see. Nope, not there. Okay, so Google does not rank your website based on appearance, unfortunately. It's it's based on your content. When it comes to ranking, content is key. So you need a lot of content, and you need more content than your top competitors. Google likes a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage, and more if your competitors have more. And that needs to be focused around your local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords people are actively searching for the services that you offer in your area. They may not know the name of your company, but they know the service that they need. And so those are the keywords that you're going to need to focus on. And you need to make sure that you're focusing on those keywords on all of your pages, not just your home page. What it breaks down to is 150 words of content for every keyword you're trying to target. So you do need to make sure you dial in your content and keyword strategy on all of your pages, because Google does have robots called crawlers that go and index all of these pages, pulling your content to get to your keywords so they can rank you for those keywords and put you in front of your customers. So you need to make sure that you dial in that strategy, and that you also have a separate page in addition to your services for each of your service areas that you service that has any type of keyword volume. Your top competitor in the Kansas City area is Power Dry. They also have a nice looking website. As you can see, they have separate service area pages, separate pages for each service. Water damage, Kansas City. They're going after those local buyer intent keywords so they can rank in Kansas City. They've got some content. And here they got the separate pages for each community that they service. And it's also important to note with these separate pages, they do need their own unique content. It cannot be duplicated. So they do have some good content. So one of the first steps to beating them is revising your content and keywords and making sure that you have more content than your top competitor in each service area. Now, this is a program called Ahrefs that analyzes how your website is performing. As you can see, you have a rating of a 2.1 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which is pretty low, and that is because of your referring domains and backlinks. You have 300 backlinks and a poor score, which says that majority of these backlinks are of poor quality or are unrelated to your industry, no follows, or spam. So not all backlinks are created equal, but they are very critical. So it's important that you're getting the high authority backlinks and that you have more of them than all of your competitors. And not just in quantity, but in quality. You need better ones than your competition. It looks like most of these are being pushed to your home page, which does help in trying or attempting to rank your home page, but it's not helping you in your buyer intent keywords for your services or service areas. So you do need to spread these backlinks out to rank in those areas. You have 82 keywords that have been indexed, but you're only seeing about 7 people to your website on average per month, so you're missing out on a considerable amount of traffic. Looking at your keywords, I'm sorry, that's not, yes, there we go, keywords. The only one that you are ranking for is your brand on the home page. And that's still towards the bottom of the home page. So you do need to work on your keyword and content strategy to be on the first page of Google. Looking at your top competitor, they have a domain rating of a 15 with 730 backlinks. They have been indexed for over 388 keywords, and they're getting over 318 people on their website on average per month. So again, this shows you some good volume that you are missing out on by not having a well-optimized website. Now, backlinks are when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant this website is that's linking to you, the more authority and the more power that Google's going to give you to help you to rank. You do need to make sure that they are do follows instead of no follows. They share the high power and help you to rank faster. And then you need to make sure that you are linking these backlinks with your keywords so you can rank for them and be found for your services. And last is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for each of your service areas and all of your relevant keywords, because 30% of people go directly here to the maps and don't go any further. So when you're not in the top 3, you're sending all of those leads to your competition. And in order to be in the top 3, there are several factors, but the most important is citations, which is the name of the business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Yelp, Dex, Facebook, Instagram, etc. So you need a lot more of those and better quality ones than your top competitor. When you follow all of these tips I've provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your local keywords and service area keywords. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you found it helpful and will help you to begin ranking. If you do need help getting any of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.